Imagine waking up in the heart of American power, surrounded by history and opportunity, but at what cost? Today, we dive into the pros and cons of moving to Washington, D.C., the city that never sleeps on politics. Whether you're eyeing a career boost or dreading the commute, stick around to see if D.C. is your next home. First up, the pros. Washington, D.C. boasts an exceptional job market. As home to numerous federal government agencies, international organizations, non-profits, lobbying firms, and a burgeoning tech sector, it offers high-paying career opportunities, especially in politics, law, and defense. If you're ambitious, this city could launch your career to new heights. One of DC's greatest perks? World-class free attractions. Dive into the Smithsonian museums, like the National Air and Space, Natural History, and American History, plus the National Zoo and all the major monuments and memorials. No admission fees mean endless exploration without breaking the bank. Getting around is a breeze with superb public transportation. The Metro's extensive and relatively clean subway and bus system connects the city to surrounding suburbs, often making a car unnecessary. Say goodbye to parking hassles. DC shines with walkable neighborhoods and an active lifestyle. Areas like Georgetown, DuPont Circle, and Capitol Hill are pedestrian-friendly, boasting a high concentration of fitness studios and outdoor activities along the C&O Canal and Rock Creek Park. It's a city built for movement. Live at the epicenter of American history with rich culture abound. Endless opportunities for historical exploration, political events, and diverse cultural festivals make DC a cultural powerhouse. Finally, indulge in excellent dining and nightlife. From Michelin-starred restaurants to diverse international cuisine and vibrant districts like U Street and Adams Morgan, DC's food scene and after-dark energy are unmatched. Of course, no place is perfect. Let's turn to the cons of calling DC home. Topping the cons, a very high cost of living. DC ranks among the most expensive US cities, especially for housing. Rent and home prices can be exorbitant, squeezing budgets tight. Heavy traffic and difficult commuting plague the city. While the Metro helps, driving ranks DC high for worst congestion, turning rush hours into nightmares. Add a high tax burden to the mix. DC's income tax rates are steeper than many states, amplifying the overall cost of living. The transience and work-focused culture can be isolating. With high turnover from job cycles, especially political, forming long-term social circles is tough, as many prioritize networking over casual fun. Limited housing space is another drawback. Apartments and homes are often smaller than elsewhere, pushing many to pricier suburbs in Maryland or Virginia for affordability. Lastly, the bubble effect. Focused on politics and government, some feel DC is isolated from the rest of the country's everyday concerns. In the end, moving to Washington, D.C. offers unparalleled opportunities in a historic, vibrant setting, but it demands a hefty budget and tolerance for its fast-paced political pulse. Weigh these pros and cons carefully. If you've lived in D.C., share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.